morning. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is Wednesday. What was that? Number 8, I believe it was. Is the one that dropped today from my clip videos. Anyways, it should have been this one that y'all seen this morning. Awesome little clip. It's a little thin here, and I have a split in the wood right there. But it's awesome. I like the greens in this one. But anyhow, that's not today's video. Y'all seen that already this morning. This video is a mail call. I did my Bible study today, and I went out to check the mail afterwards, and I have a letter. Mr. Josh and Miss Kaysie from Creation Dust 777 has sent me a sticker. Oh, the addresses are taped up. You're gonna have to message Josh if you want his address. But yep. I got a sticker in the mail, and I'm excited. I still don't have a good setup for recording inside my box like this, but let me zoom you all out. This is my collection so far. I watch a bunch of channels, but this is who I have collected stickers from. We got Majority Johnson stickers, of course. They were my very first ones. I got this sticker when I bought two sanding mandrels from Mr. Pete Blair a few years back. I got this sticker. Jordy Johnson's Carbon Fusion channel. Another Jordy Johnson Carbon Fusion channel. I acquired this sticker when I won a competition from Mr. Jordy. I also got an awesome wood spirit of his. Suzanne Rhinestone sticker. Sophie's sticker, Under the Bark, awesome channel. Suzanne's is an awesome channel. DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel. Harry the Carbon Wizard, awesome channel. Sean Brooks, Pen on Fire. Come on, Mr. Sean, you got a good channel. I hope they get you squared away so you can start making us some more videos. Robert C. Peters. I don't have a sticker from Mr. Peters yet, but he did make me this awesome grumpy pipe. Mr. Peters does pipes for the recreational and medical, and he made me, so let me take this off. This is just my little band so I can hang it up, but the bowl comes out so I can clean it. Awesome olive burl. He made a nice pipe. Like I said, Mr. Grumpy right there. Awesome. And then put my bowl in there. But I took a little piece of pipe cleaner, wrapped around the bowl, and I can put it on the bowl. I put the bowl back in, and then I can hang it back up right there when I'm not using it. Because I like it. But that is my collection. And again, I'm babbling, but I've had a great morning, and I'm happy because I got my sticker. Mr. Josh sent me a letter. Says appreciates all the support I've shown the channel. It's been fun interacting with you in the live streams. That's awesome. Thank you for the letter, Josh. Thank you for all that work you do on your channel. That Bigfoot's just looking awesome. And thank you, Kaysie, for doing all that great camera work. But boom, here is my sticker. Creation Dust 777. It says like and subscribe. Go check his channel out. I will put a link to Josh's channel in my description of this video. You don't need to go check that out. And I think I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna keep filling in this side and work down. And then when I get more, I'm gonna come across. I'll take my stickers down and put others up on top of that. But I want to fill my box up. But I'm gonna put Mr. Josh's sticker right here under Jordy's sticker, just like that. So either right there or right here. I don't know. There or there. Undecided. If I keep it up high, it's staying across. I'll have to take this one down. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Right there. Carry everybody across. Alright. Now see, I like the way these stickers are done. Easy to get the backs off of them right there. My stickers, they're good stickers, but they're not easy to get the peel off, to peel the back off of them. Not mine anyway. Alright, start up top, work the bubbles out. Perfect.
Grumpy got a letter today from Josh
Awesome.
Kaysie. They came to say they sent a sticker
Bubble.
with colors popping like the
Alright.
do. Oh, Grumpy's got a grin so wide, found the perfect spot where it can reside. In the box
Perfect.
where memories stay.
Now I gotta get the glare off of it. Oh, the glare. My light. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright. Aha. Got it. Sorry for the shaking, y'all. I don't have a good gimbal. I just got a little cheesy tripod here. It barely fits in my box. But Creation Does 777, y'all go check out his channel. I will put a link for it in my description. Thank you so much, Josh and Kaysie, for the sticker. I hope y'all have an awesome day. And again, thank you everybody else for the stickers that I've gotten so far. I greatly appreciate it and I love them all. Everybody's got awesome channels. Everybody keep up the good work. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my crazy self and my silly videos. I appreciate all the support. Oh, and another thing, I finally hit 100 subscribers plus. Thank you so much for all the subscribers that's followed my channel and continue to watch my videos and show me that support. I do appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. It's been fun. All right, thank y'all. Enjoy. Have a great day.